Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Moto G42 has a stereo speakers. So in order to check it out, we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. And the first one is on the top right here, it's the phone call speaker. The second is at the bottom right here, and there's no other speakers on this device. So now we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that would mean it's a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.